Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. Another beautiful opportunity for us to be together today. Thanks for all your results that you shared with me this morning. I'm really happy to see all those results. They are so amazing, guys. Okay guys, we will continue from there today, and of course in today's video we will be looking at spikes trading strategy for boom and crash. You heard that right. If you have been looking for an opportunity to make some cool cash for yourself trading spikes, then you need to watch this video to the end because you're going to love every bit of it. Okay, but in today's video we will just be looking at the intro part of it, but in my next video we will build more on it. Okay, but before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out how we can trade spikes successfully using some different forms of strategies. So those are some of the things that we'll be checking out right here. Okay, let me see if the Jamboard is working well right now. Okay, this is it. Okay, there is one thing you need to be very sure of before you can say you want to go into spikes trading strategy. Okay, one of the things is that you need to know the right trend to trade each of these assets. The right trend to trade the spikes on each of the assets. That is very, very important. Once you are able to say this, then you will be able to take control of the market successfully. Okay, for instance, okay, it is always important that you know that for boom, for you to trade spikes in boom, then the market must be on uptrend. Okay, for you to trade spikes in boom, the market must be on uptrend. Okay, it must be on uptrend. Okay, and of course for you to trade spikes in boom, in most cases it usually comes from the support zone. Okay, it usually comes from the support zone, while the opposite of it is that of crash. Okay, the opposite of it is that of crash. For crash, for you to trade spikes in crash, okay, the market must be in downtrend. Okay, it must be in downtrend, and of course the spikes usually happen from the resistance zone. Okay, so that is very, very important. So with this, you will be able to milk the market successfully using this strategy. So let's go straight into the markets right away to check out any of these. Okay, so it is always important you are able to analyze the market very well for you to do this successfully. And if you are not very good with your technical analysis, you can always make use of an indicator that will help you to trade it successfully. For instance, check this out. Okay, this is 5-minute time frame for boom 1000. You can see the market is around the support zone around there, but its range around this support zone, it's always happen like that, most especially when there is going to be a major decision to be taken within the market. Okay, and at that stage the market will be beaten within the minor resistance zone and the major support zone around there to see if there is going to be a breakout above or below. If there is a breakout above, then that means it's changing into an uptrend. If there is a breakout below, then it is going on with the sell trend. Okay, so that is why it is important that you take note of this. Okay, so right from here it broke out above it and it started spiking. You can see this is uptrend period. Okay, you can see this. Okay, this is uptrend period. That is why we hardly have the bearish candle being created. We add more of spiky candles around there. You can see all that it started spiking and spiking and spiking. Okay, so that is very, very important. So at this stage I don't expect you to sell, because if you sell you can be trapped in the market for a very long time. So it is better you trade the spiky candles alone. Okay, so if you start trading the spiky part right from here till the very end, then it pays you because the market is on uptrend at this point, and of course it favors spikes for boom 1000. That is why at every support zones, okay, at every support zone, spikes are always happening around there. Okay, so every support zones are very, very important. Okay, you can see it happened there, around there, and it also happened there again around here. And here is another support zone. You can see it happened there right here, and if you should check out here, it also happened there, and if you should check out here again, it happened there again. So all those support zones are very, very important, okay, because we are most likely to have spikes happening around there because the market is in favor of it. The market is on uptrend at that particular point. That is for boom. The same thing is applicable to crash. Okay, so that is why it is important you take note of this. Okay, so this is what I want you to do. Okay, you can go back to the market. You can do this on your demo account. Set your chart up in this form. Go make sure you have that of boom 1000, boom 500, boom 300. Then you can do that for crash also, and make sure you get the right trend to trade the spike, and check out, try to spot out all the support zones and see if the spikes will happen around there or not. Even if it means that, then it will still get back there and still give you the profit at the long run. So far it is still within the trend, then you will definitely be in profit at the end of the day. So that is how beautiful this is. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. We'll be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you called Qora Digital Cash. I will be expecting your report based on the intro part of this training, and we will continue from there. I will build on it in my next video. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you called Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God